Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming on to give you a closer look at the Heartfelt Creations card kit titled Backyard Blossoms. Inside the card kit you will get the pieces you need to create 3 cards, step-by-step instructions, and extra paper pieces. So here are the cards. This is card 1. Card 2 and card 3. So I'll share with you what's inside. Inside you get some pretty glitter, looks like some gold glitter, some type of pretty gold, almost like a champagne looking gold. This is the colors that they recommend. I do own Buttercup archival ink, and Vibrant Fuchsias is what they recommend. This does not come with the card kit, but they recommend these colors, as well as green leaf ink and cactus green and some type of lime green ink that I don't own, but I'll try to match it as close to the inks that they recommend. So this is extra that comes with the card kit. Have a beautiful day. It's your special day. So if you want to make some extra cards, you can. Cherish the moment. A gift from the heart. If you want to make extra cards, here are 2 panels that are extra. Or if you want to use the back, you can. So either or. You'll get some 6x6 panels. So this is one. This is a nice background scene. Here's one. Here's one that you can have whichever way you choose. Here's one. Or if you want to use the backs, this is how it looks on the back. So really pretty colors. Okay, so that's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 panels. So that's what's extra. Now I'm going to get down to the cards that are inside. Every card comes with a plastic bag that you can use as the envelope. It would be nice if they would make some type of box that your cards could go in, like maybe include a flat box, but you know, maybe if customers would recommend that, they will start doing that. Okay, so here is the card. I think this is card number 2. It's your birthday. So this is the sentiment. This is one of their new dies. It's an eyelet rectangle. And here are some of the die cuts when they're cone flowers that you'll color. Well, the colors they recommend are something close. And here is another die cut from the collection that you'll color in your own colors if you choose, or what they recommend. And this one. And this is the panel that you'll layer those die cuts on. And this is the card base that they've already stamped for you. Okay, so that's card that you will create based on the picture that they have designed. Alright, so then there's this card. they've already cut out the window for you. So it opens like that. And then this is also one of the die cuts that they have already cut out for you that you will layer. And here's a piece that you will layer together to make a pretty card. And then there is this piece that you'll layer on top that you will color out and create the card. And then these are some accent pieces that you will color and tuck in to accent the calm flowers. And then this is the sentiment, friendship and bloom. And then this is the background piece that you will layer into that window to create that card. Okay, then this next card, it's a really pretty card. Again, they've included some new dies from their collection to create this card. The sentiment is, with special thoughts of you. You'll get this frame with stitching. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Alright. And then it's a top folding note card. And then this is the beautiful piece that goes on the top of that note card. Really pretty. So it layers on top to create that beautiful card. And then this is one of the die cuts that you'll color and layer. And then this one goes up in the corner. So really beautiful card design here. Okay. So I hope you'll follow along with the series. I will link where you can get this card kit in the description box below. Card kits are limited, so if you're interested, I will provide that link for you. And I hope you'll consider following along with the series or watching. So take care, and I hope you will have a fabulous day.